Options are 63, 65, 69, 71, and none of these. Same. We'll find out the logic. Difference is 3, difference is 5, difference is 7, difference is 9, difference is 11. It is increasing by 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, and now it will increase by 15. 50 plus 15 is your answer, that is 65. From the given option, your answer is 65. Take a screenshot. We'll see more question related to this. Take a screenshot. Three, 15, 35, 63, and question mark. We have to find out what is the number at the place of question mark from the given option. Options are 79, 87, 99, 86, and 96. Now, not necessary always you have to find out the difference is decreasing or increasing. There can be some different logics that can be related by square, cubes, and there can be difference between them. Can be a square number, cube number, odd number, even number, or triangulate number, prime number, or there can be a multiplication series. There are a lot of difference, but we'll see here. This is again difference. Instead of taking difference, we can say 2 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, 5 square, 6 square minus 1, 8 square minus 1. So definitely 2, 4, 6, 6. Next number has to be 10 square minus 1, and that is 99. If you are using the logic of difference, you will get same answer, that is 99. Okay, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Okay, we'll move ahead. You have to check with the given numbers what is the logic there, and we have to find out the number at the place of question mark. So we can say that is missing number series. 71, 59, question 5, 71, 59, 48, 38, 29, and we have to find out next number, that is question mark, from the given option 22, 20, 21, 19 and 23. We have to find out the logic. What is the number at the place of question mark? 89, 55, 34, 89, 55, 34, 21, question mark, 8, 5, and then 3. We have to find out number at the place of question mark. 12, 13, 17, 19. 12, 13, 17, 19, and 12. 12, 13, 17, 19, 14. Question number 7. 2, 8, 16. 128, question mark. From the given option, we have to find out answer. 164, 1324, 2048, 256, and 2512. These are 5 options given. Question number 8. That is next question. $240, question mark, 120, 40, 10, and 2. We have to find out number at the place of question mark. From the given option, 256, 240, 270, 290, 180. These are the options, and we have to find out number from the given option. Question number 9, 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, then 6, then 7, 21, then 22, 66, 67, and then question mark. We have to find out number at the place of question mark from the given options. Options are 167, 168. $201, 211, and 191. So there are questions. Just try this question. This space I have written here for calculation to explain the answers. Waiting for your answers. That is, someone has sent the answers. We have to find out number at the place of question mark. We have to find out number at the place of question mark, that is completing the series. The topic is number series and we have to complete the series, finding the number at the place of question mark, or you can say find missing number in the given series. So question number 5. 5 questions are there on the board. Fifth, someone answered already, question number 5. Try to find out the answer from the given option. Fifth, your answer is 21. Now we'll check. What is the difference here? Minus 12. We are getting 59. Minus 11. Minus 10. Minus 9. So I will subtract now. Or minus 8. 29 minus 8. 21 is your answer. Question number 6. What is the logic again here? Three plus 5. 3 plus 5. 8 is here. 8 plus 5. 13 has to be here. Here is different logic, but you have to think in this way. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus 13 is 34. 34 plus 21. 34 plus 21 is 55. And 55 plus 34 is 89. Question number 6. Your answer is 13. Question number 7. Again, we can think in this way. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16 is here. 16 multiplied by 16 when multiplied by 8, 128 is here. 128 multiplied by 16. Someone answered already. That is 2048. Very good. Check your answers. We'll move ahead. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 4, 40. 40 into 3, into 3. This is into 3, into 4, into 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 4, 40. 40 into 3, 120. 120 into 2, your answer has to be 240. So 240 is here. From the given option, your answer is 240. 240 multiplied by 1 is 240. Hope you followed this. One plus one is two. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 multiplied by 3 is 66. 66 plus 1 is 67. 67 into 3 is your answer, and that is 201. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. We'll solve more questions. Take a screenshot. Question number 10. 9, 17, 31, 57. Question mark 205. We have to find out what is the number at the place of question mark. 112, 114, 112, 114, 105, 107. 105, 107, 108. Question number 11. 445, 221, 109. Question mark 25, 11, 4. You have to find out number at the place of question mark. 52, 48, 57, 49, 43, 49, and from this we have to find out the answer. 0, 1, 5, 14, 30, 55, 91, and question mark. Again, we have to follow the logic. We have to identify what is the logic here and find out the number at the place of question mark. From the given option, 132, 148, 130, 169, 140. Two, 3, 7, 20, question mark, 2819. 151, 39, 162, 141, 41. 0, 1, 5, 14. Ninety-three, 309, 434, 498, question mark, 583, 516, 539, 535, 525, 529. Try to find out from 10 to 14. 5 questions are there. Take 2-3 minutes and try to solve. Send me answer on chat. Try to find out the answer. Send me on chat. The question which you are unable to solve, that will be your homework. The question which you are unable to solve, that will be your homework. Okay, question number 10. The answer has already sent. If possible, please send the explanation or logic. Okay, now we'll solve one by one. Question number 10. 9 into 2 minus 1 is 17. 17 into 2, 34, minus 3 is 31. 31 into 2, 62, minus 5 is 57. Multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, and so on. Your answer is 107. We can think this will be a better way. 4 into 2 plus 3 is 11. 11 into 2 plus 3 is 25. 25 into 2 plus 3 is 53. 53 into 2 is 106 plus 3 is 109. We want this number. Okay. Got the logic? And so on. The series type is like this: multiplied by 2 plus 3. Multiplied by 2 plus 3. Take a screenshot. Here difference 0 and 1. What is the difference? 1. 1 and 5. What is the difference? 4. 5 and 14. What is the difference? 9. 14 and 30. What is the difference? 6. If you observe this number, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and next has to be 5 square, and so on onwards. 36 is 6 square. Next is 49, that is 7 square. So 91 plus 49 is your answer. And from the given option, your answer is 140. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Question number 13. Now here, there is a different logic, but think in this way. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 gives you 7. 7 into 3 is 21. Minus 1 is 20. Now what you will do? Plus 1 -1 and then again +1. 20 into 7 +1 is 141. Then 141 into 20 -1 is 2819. What is the number at the place of question mark? 141. Check the logic. Take a screenshot. Think about the logic. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. '93, then 309. What is the difference? Yes, 216. 309 and 434. What is the difference? 125. Observe this number and what you can say about these numbers. 216 is 6 cube. 125 is 5 cube. 64 is 4 cube. 495 is plus 27, that is 3 cube will be your answer, and plus 8, that is 2 cube, is 583. What is the number here? Difference of a cube number. You can say difference of a cube number. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Now question number 15. 3, 7, 15, question mark, 63, 127. Options are 35, 29, 31, 33, 28. Question number 16. 3, 12, 27. 48, 75. 108. And next number that we have to find out, that is question mark, and we have to find out number at the place of question mark from the given options. 149, 147, 153, 161, and 141. Zero, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210, and next number we have to find out, that is from the given option, and options are 329, 351, 341, 336, 338. Question number 18. 10, 21, 34. Question mark, 70, 93, We have to find out number at the place of question mark from the given options, and options are 47, 53, 48, 49, 51. $10,000, 11,000, 9,900, 10,890, 9,801, and next number you have to find out, that is question mark from the given options, and options are 10659, 9265, 9769, 10549, 10781, question number 20, 1, 7, 49, 343, and question mark. Option are 16,807, 2,058, 2401, 1227, and 1223. Question number 21. Take this is as your homework. Try to solve this question at home. 13, 20, 39, 78. Any query? Send me on WhatsApp. We'll talk. Find out the missing number, and we have to find out missing number from the given options. And here options are 234, 244, 236, 248, and 252. Okay. Bye. 12, 35, 81. 173, 357, and then question mark. We have to find out the number at the place of question mark from the given option. Options are 725, 715, 726, 736, and 729. Take this question as a homework. Try to solve this question at home. 3, 5, 8 questions. Take this as a homework. And if any query, send me on WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day.